Good morning to all of you. Now, in this chapter, fifth chapter, location and time, we read about the longitude, latitude, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, equatorial line. About that, we read. Now, I am going to explain the second page of this chapter. Just to open and see. Do and learn. This page, a lot of activities are there. Few I will explain, few will not. That you read yourself. Do and learn. Among the uncountable stars in the sky, there is one bright star, usually seen in the north, called the North Star or Pole Star. That you know already, or in some story also you maybe read Dhruv Tara. So yeah, that in English is telling North Star, yeah, Pole Star. That is always appear on the north side of the uh, what we will say in the sky. That is called North Pole, yeah, North Star, yeah, Pole Star. That is shining very brightly comparatively to other rest of the stars. That is speciality of this star. That's why all the people very easily recognize this one कि it is a pole star. Among the uncountable stars in the sky, there is one bright star usually seen in the north called the North Star. It is a one definition also. What do you mean by North Star? Then you have to write this line. Then down this side, take a big protector. This one is the activity you read. No need to do. If you want, you do. You can do, but not needed. Now see 1, 2, 3 points after I am reading. The names of a few mentioned below. In what direction do they lie from the 0 degree latitude, north or south? Latitude means sleeping line. If 0 degree sleeping line is there, so some countries or names are fallen here, given here. We have to find out whether it is towards the north pole side, north side, northern hemisphere side, या 0 degree latitude के डाउन में है, मीन्स सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर साइड. टेक एन एटलस एंड ए ग्लोब एंड लोकेट दीज कंट्रीज. Kenya, Mongolia, Chile, South Africa, Egypt, Russia and Canada. That though you find out through the atlas if you are having atlas book, and find out this one. It is a optional whether you do or not. It is not compulsory. Now come to next box. Things to know. GPS, mobile phones or Google. In our mobiles already GPS system is there, GPS written. Sometime when we are moving one place to another place, so we have to open our network, then GPS system, and in this way my location, and we are tracing our writing our location name and where we wanted to go, another destination we are putting, and all the maps are coming, routes are coming on our mobile. So that is telling here the exact latitude and longitude of a place can be known with the help of global positioning system in phones and satellites in space. कि फ़ोन में हम लोग को कैसे जीपीएस के थ्रू मोबाइल में अगर पर्टिकुलर हमें कोई एरिया का लैटिट्यूड लॉन्गिट्यूड पता करना है तो वो फ़ोन में आ जाता है. कैसे? वो जीपीएस के थ्रू आता है. व्हाट इज़ द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ जीपीएस? ग्लोबल पोजिशनिंग सिस्टम. दैट इज मीन्स फ्रॉम द इन नेट, फ्रॉम द सैटेलाइट our we are getting the exact location, longitude or latitude of a particular place. Again I am reading. The exact latitude and longitude of a place can be known with the help of global positioning system in phones and satellite in space. Using the internet, you can get information about the latitude and longitude of your village or city by simply clicking on the My Location option in your phone. This one you can do after asking your parents in your mobile. My Location option is there, just you try to click here and find out this point whether it is showing longitude, latitude or not. Now next topic is what? Longitudes and longitudinal coordinates of a place. Means here we are talking about the longitude, means standing line about, and related to how many countries are falling over those lines. The vertical imaginary lines. Vertical means standing. The vertical imaginary lines drawn on a globe that run in the north to south direction are known as longitudes. Here also one definition is given about longitude. You can write this definition also. Find the following from the given map. First point, here one map has given, and now you can see in this map one black color bold sleeping line is there. Over both the side two light black color lines are running. Then have this side you can see 0 degree mention, this 0, then 15, 30, 45, 60, right hand side. In this way left hand side also mentioned 0, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75 are mentioned. Then in the above side over the map also you can see here also it is parted 0, 15, 30, 45 means 15 degree gaps are here. Now see some continents names are also given here. What is the telling here? See, find the following from the given map. Through which country does the 0 degree longitude passes? लॉन्गिट्यूड मीन्स स्टैंडिंग लाइन. तो ये जो मैप में आपका 0 डिग्री दिख रहा है यहाँ पे बीचों बीच सेंटर में और डाउन में, जस्ट यू पुट अ स्केल एंड मेक अ लाइन, draw a line, then you see how many countries are falling here. I think Africa will fall and Europe some parts will fall, come over this 0 degree longitude. Then next B part, how many longitudes are present in the eastern and western hemisphere respectively? What is telling here? What is telling here कि if you are drawn the 0 degree longitude, then you have to count कि up to 180 degree both the side or 15 degree gap, how many lines you can draw. If I will take 15 degree gaps up to reach up to 180, then I have to draw how many lines. We have to count. See, count 15, 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 line I have to drawn on both the side. You do this practical and then everything will be finished. Now next, see next page, major longitudes. Here we will read some special longitudes name, जैसे prime meridian Greenwich, international dateline about we will read. Then what is here? Local time, standard time, means 4 topics about read here. So next topic, major longitudes. 4 major longitudes are there. Among that, about the prime meridian we are going to read today. Prime meridian, or another name it is Greenwich. The 0 degree longitude that passes through Greenwich in England is known as prime meridian. Underline. It divides the earth into 2 vertical halves, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. It has longitudes extending up to 180 degree on both eastern and western sides. Since it passes through Greenwich, it is generally referred to as the prime meridian as well. So children, here in maths, when you are using that protector, तो डिग्री एंगल यू आर मेजरिंग, तो यू नो ना 0 degree to total 360 degree is are there. Among that here telling it, suppose half part you take 180 degree, something like that. So what is telling here, the 0 degree longitude. Here what we will do, previous map you have parted you in this map you have drawn the 0 degree standing line. That is telling here, this 0 degree standing line if you are drawing over the globe, so this line is crossing the England area. And in England area, which area this one is crossing? Greenwich name one place is there in England. Over that this 0 degree longitude line is going on, and this 0 degree line is called prime meridian. Prime meridian. What is the meaning of prime meridian? Prime meridian means 0 degree longitude lines over the globe. And this prime meridian line, sometimes we are calling it Greenwich line. Why we are calling it Greenwich line? Because it is crossing over the Greenwich area of England, and that's why sometimes this line is known as Greenwich line also. In geographical way, this line, prime meridian line, have major effect. Over that only all type of geographical reading, distance maintaining, time maintaining, everything will be done. और इसी के पीछे जैसे 180 डिग्री हो जाएगा कंप्लीट, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन, विच वी विल रीड नेक्स्ट दिस वन. तो 0 डिग्री अगर ग्लोब को आप देखो तो जहाँ पे 0 डिग्री मेंशन है, विच वन इज़ फॉलिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू 0 डिग्री, तो ऑपोजिट साइड वन वेयर इट कंप्लीट 180 डिग्री, दैट वन इज़ कॉल्ड इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन. और ये 0 डिग्री वाला लाइन को हम लोग प्राइम मेरिडियन वी आर कॉलिंग. तो दैट इज़ टेलिंग कि 0 डिग्री लाइन, प्राइम मेरिडियन लाइन इज़ इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू योर्स, तो your eastern side and your western side means total 180 degree lines are degrees are remaining. It has longitude extending up to 180 degree on both eastern and western side. मीन्स 0 डिग्री से आप अगर और काउंट बढ़ते चलोगे ईस्टर्न साइड में, तो यू विल रीच अप टू 180 डिग्री अप टू, एंड वेस्टर्न साइड में भी जाओगे तो 180 अप टू यू कैन रीच, मीन्स टोटल 360 डिग्रीज आर देयर. तो हियर that is, again I am reading, prime meridian or Greenwich line. The 0 degree longitude that passes through Greenwich in England is known as prime meridian. It divides the earth into two vertical halves, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. It has longitude extending up to 180 degree on both eastern and western side. Since it passes through Greenwich, it is generally referred to as the prime meridian as well. So here today I am ending with this. Next time we will read the next topic, international date line. Okay, you just go through the, and when I will give the question answer, you do it also. Okay, it's very important. If you can't understand, read the chapter 1 to 3. You can understand. If you are having globe, to see the globe also, your problem will be sorted out. Okay, till bye. Thank you.